Today, we're exploring the journey of Fred Savage, the former child star who became the quintessential face of 1980 Seconds, nostalgia as Kevin Arnold on The Wonder Years. While he successfully transitioned from a young actor to a prolific director and producer behind some of television's biggest comedies, his career has recently been overshadowed by allegations of workplace misconduct. So, where is Fred Savage now? Let's find out. Fred Savage's career is a rare example of a child star who maintained a steady presence in Hollywood for decades. After The Wonder Years ended in 1993, he shifted his focus behind the camera, directing episodes for hit shows like Modern Family, It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia, and The Goldbergs. However, his professional trajectory hit a significant roadblock in May 2022, when he was fired as an executive producer and director from the reboot of The Wonder Years on ABC. The firing followed an investigation into multiple allegations of inappropriate conduct, including verbal outbursts and inappropriate behavior toward crew members. In the years following his dismissal, Savage has maintained a very low public profile. While he has not been officially blacklisted from the industry, he has not directed or produced a major television project since 2022. He has largely stayed away from social media and red carpet events, choosing instead to focus on his personal life and family. He remains married to his childhood friend, Jennifer Lynn Stone, and they continue to reside in Los Angeles with their 3 children. Where is Fred Savage now? As of now, Fred Savage is living a private life in Los Angeles, where he has transitioned away from the high-profile director's chair. While he has not made a formal return to major network television, he has reportedly been working on independent film projects and consulting for boutique production houses throughout 2025. In a brief sighting in late November 2025, Savage was seen in Santa Monica, appearing to maintain a quiet, family-oriented lifestyle. Despite his absence from new projects, his legacy continues to be discussed through retrospectives of his work. In early 2025, several of his former co-stars from The Wonder Years spoke about the complex nature of working with him, highlighting a mixed legacy that continues to spark debate in the entertainment industry. For now, Savage appears content to remain out of the headlines, focusing on his home life rather than seeking a comeback in the mainstream spotlight. Fred Savage has transformed from a beloved child icon and top-tier director into a private individual navigating the fallout of a public career crisis. While his future in Hollywood remains uncertain, he is currently prioritizing his privacy and his role as a father and husband. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on how your favorite stars have redefined their lives and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.